Hello guys, so we are back again, and in this session we are going to continue with the type 6 we have started in the previous session. And in that session we have solved about 3 questions, and now we are going to continue and proceed with the fourth question. But before starting with the session, hope you have subscribed our channel Omega Pi Engineering Mathematics. And we are going to soon have separate channel for IIT JEE and mathematical content related to class 11th and 12th. We are not going to combine all of the things in one channel. So let's begin with the question. So the question which we are going to take is this, the fourth question, which is d square minus 1 into y equal to x sine 3x. So in this question what we are going to do, first auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is nothing but m square minus 1 equal to 0, which will give you m minus 1 and m plus 1 using a square minus b square. So you have m equals to 1 and m equals to minus 1. So your complementary function is nothing but c1 e to the power x plus c2 e to the power minus x. Your particular integral will be what? 1 by d square minus 1 into x sine 3x. After this we will write it in the format of this x minus its differentiation 2d by d square minus 1 bracket close 1 by d square, which is f of d square minus 1, which is f of d into sine 3x. Here we don't write x, we will multiply the things, which will give me x bracket 1 by d square minus 1 into sine 3x minus we are going to have 2d by d square minus 1 the whole square into sine 3x, right? And we are going to close the whole thing. Now we are going to solve this. Here we will substitute minus 9 and here we will substitute minus 9. So you know we are not getting negative, or it is not becoming 0, so we can substitute it. So x, here to substitute minus 9, it will become minus 10. So minus x by 10 sine 3x will be my answer, and here it will be 2 by minus 9 minus 10 square is nothing but 100, which will be minus 9 plus 10, 100. Okay, so what we are having here, minus 9 100 into d sine 3x. Now we will differentiate this minus x by 10 sine 3x into 2 cos 3x into 3 by 10 100, which will give me in the end x by 10 into sine 3x minus this will 2 will cancel out with this 3 by 50 into sine 3 into cos 3x. So we are having this as our answer. Now what we are going to do, we are going to write the general solution, which is combination of complementary function plus particular integral, which will be nothing but c1 e to the power x plus c2 e to the power minus x plus, sorry, here we will write minus x by 10 sine 3x into minus 3 by 50 cos 3x. So this is our answer. Hope you have understand each and every step properly. Now let's move on to the next question. The next question which we are going to take is this one. The question says d square plus 9 into y equals to x into sine square x. So all these steps will be same only. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 9 equal to 0. Here complex things will appear, m minus iota 3, m plus iota 3, which equal to 0, giving me m equals to iota 3, m equals to minus iota 3. So complementary function is very simple, e to the power 0x bracket c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Okay. After this particular integral, as far as what we are concerned, 1 by d square plus 9 into sin square x. Okay, this is, now we are going to apply that rule, x minus 2d by f of d, which is d square plus 9 Okay, bracket 1 by d square plus 9, which is 1 by f of d into sine square x. Okay, now you know we cannot write sine square x as per the rule. We only write sine in power 1. So we are going to express sine square x as 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Okay, so let's try to express it in that format. If we try to express it, what we are going to get is x minus 2d by d square plus 9, 1 by d square plus 9 into 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Right? So what we are having here is 1 by 2 cos 2x by 2, which is, if we simplify this, we have, this is nothing but x by 2. Okay, what we should do, we should simplify it earlier. We should not simplify after applying the formula, because we are getting stuck here. Okay, so what we are going to, we are going to simplify the things here only. X, here we will write 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So whenever degree terms appears or anything appears, you have to simplify in the first step only, then you have to multiply the things. So if you multiply the things, what you are going to get, you will get one thing, 1 by d square plus 9 into x, and here 2 we will take outside. 2 is not important. So here we are getting one thing. After this, what we are getting is minus 1 by d square plus 9 into x cos 2x. Right? Now we know we will consider this integral 1 and we will consider this integral 2. This is different integral, this is different integral. So consider I1. I1 will be what? It will be nothing but 1 by d square plus 9 into x. It is a polynomial type 4. So what we are going to do, take the lowest power. We are going to get d square by 9 and here x. If we try to expand this, we are going to get 1 by 9 using Maclaurin series, 1 by d square by 9. Here we want power 1 and here we are getting power square always. So what we are going to do, we are going to keep this one only, so it will be x by 9. If we take this, its power is 2, so we are not going to take, we always take power which is equal to this or less than this. So we got I1. Now consider I2. If we consider I2, what we are having is minus, which we will substitute after d square. We are having d square plus 9 into x cos 2x. Firstly, we will do what? We will write it in that format. So x minus 2d by d square plus 9 into bracket 1 by d square plus 9 into cos 2x. If we multiply the things here, we are getting something like x 1 by d square plus 9 into cos 2x firstly minus 2d by d square plus 9 the whole square into cos 2x, the whole bracket close. Now let's move on to the next page. If we move on to the next page, what we are having is we will try to substitute here minus 2 square, which is nothing but minus 4, which will become 5. So here we got the answer x by 5 cos 2x. But here, which is 2d by, if we substitute here also we will get the answer, but here it will be 25 into 2d. Further on, what we are having into sine cos 2x, which we will differentiate with, because d is there, so which will give me my final answer x by 5 cos 2x minus 2 by 25. Here if we differentiate this, sine 2x, and since cos x is being differentiated, negative sign will appear into 2. So our final answer is x by 5 cos 2x plus 4 sine 2x by 25. So particular integral is nothing but I1 plus minus I2, because here minus sign is there. So we are going to get something like I1 is what, x by 9 minus I2, which is nothing but x by 5 cos 2x plus 4 by 25 sin 2x. Now general solution is a combination of complementary function plus particular integral, which is nothing but, if we try to get the value, e power 0x c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x, right, plus particular integral x by 9 minus bracket x by 5 cos 2x plus 4 by 25 sin 2x bracket close. So this is our required answer. Hope you have understood each and every step. Now let's move on to the next question. So the next question which we are going to take is this question, which is x e to the which is d square minus 2d plus 1 into y equals to x e to the power x sin x. Firstly, auxiliary equation is nothing but m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0, giving me m minus 1 the whole square equal to 0, which is m equals to 1 and m equals to 1, because two terms are there. Complementary function will be nothing but if we try to, since common terms are the c1 plus c2x into e to the power x, this is our complementary function. Now particular integral is nothing but, what we are going to write is d square minus 2d plus 1 into x e to the power x sin x, right? Now what we are going to do, if you observe, what we can do is we can take this e to the power x on that side. Then what will happen is that we will replace d by d plus 1. Whenever x and e power x both appears, you have to take the e power x on the on other side, then it will replace d by d plus a, which is here in this case d plus 1. So e power x 1 by d plus 1 the whole square minus 2d plus 1 into, here we are left with x sin x, which is the required form which we are dealing in type 6. Now what we are going to do, we will simplify this. If you will simplify, you will get here d square plus 2d will come, which will cancel out with this, here plus 1 and plus 1, which will cancel out with this minus 2, and we are going to left with only 1 by d square into x sin x, right? Now what we are going to do, we are going to write this thing in the format which we have studied, which is x minus 2d upon d square 1 by f of d square into sin x. We will multiply this, e to the power x will be outside, x 1 by d square sin x minus 2d by d power 4 into sin x, the whole bracket close. After this, e to the power x, if you integrate it twice, firstly it will become sin x to cos x, and then from cos x to again sin x, which will be nothing but firstly it will be sin x to cos x, minus sign will appear firstly. Do you agree with this? Here if we do this, minus sign will appear, and we are going to get, again we are going to get sin x only, but only minus sign will appear. So minus sin x will appear here, because if we do twice integration, and here 2 by d cube sin x will be there. Now since it is triple integration, if it's twice integration is sin x, and if I integrate it again, we are going to get plus sign, so which is nothing but, we will just keep it here, we will write cos x. So what we are going to get, e to the power x bracket minus x sin x minus 2 cos x bracket close. We are going to take the minus sign outside, e to the power x sin x plus 2 cos x. This is our required particular integral. Now general solution is a combination of complementary function plus particular integral. Now here these two steps I have did means in reducing steps. Why? Because I have to write it 1 by d into 1 by d, and then integrate it. Then here I have to integrate it thrice. Okay, and that is just its integration only, and we have done that basic step in from type 4, 5, and now we are in type 6. So I think that you will be able to do those two steps. So here c1 plus c2 x e to the power x, now minus e to the power x into x sin x plus 2 cos x. So we are getting this thing as our answer. Now let's move on to the next question. So the next question which we are going to take is this one, which is d square plus 4d plus 4 into y into equals to x into e to the power minus 2x into cos x. So if we try to simplify, auxiliary equation is nothing but m square plus 4m plus 4 equal to 0, giving me m plus 2 the whole square equal to 0. So m equals to minus 2 and m equals to minus. So roots are real and equal, so you can write the complementary function simply c1 plus c2x e to the power minus 2x. Now particular integral is nothing but 1 by d square plus 4d plus 4 into x e to the power minus 2x into cos x. I have told you whenever such thing appears or sin or cos x power is high, you have to first reduce the sin x power, then multiply it with, okay, and then simplify. But whenever sin power and e power also appears, what you have to do, first move the e to other side, change the cos power after that, and but here since cos power is 1, we are going to shift the e power minus 2x on other side. So e to the power minus 2x, if you shift on this side, you are going to replace here it by d minus 2 the whole square plus 4 into d minus 2 plus 4 into x cos x. Okay, so after this step, what you need to know, if we simplify this, what we are going to get here, minus 2d plus 4 will appear, here plus 4d will appear, so it will get cancelled out. Now minus 8 will appear, and here plus 4 and plus 4, again I am going to left with d square only. So e to the power minus 2x by d square into x cos x. We are going to apply the type 6 rule here, which is x minus 2d by d square 1 by d square into cos x. After this, what we are going to do, e power minus 2x will be as it is, x1 by d square into cos x minus 2d by d power 4 into cos x, e to the power minus 2x. Here if you do its integration, it will be sin x, and after if you again do its integration, it will minus cos x. So here we are getting minus cos x minus x cos x, and here it will be thrice. So minus cos x integration is again minus cos x. First cos x to sin x, then sin x to cos x, which is nothing but minus sin. Okay, then again, so here it will become plus 2d sin x, and its differentiation will happen, sorry, there will be nothing here, d cube, we have integrated thrice. So here we are getting this thing. After this, what we are going to do, we will take the minus sign outside. If I take the minus sign outside, I am going to left with x cos x minus 2 sin x as our particular integral. Now general solution is a combination of complementary function plus particular integral, which is nothing but c1 plus c2 x e to the power minus 2x plus minus e to the power minus 2x bracket x cos x minus 2 sin x. So hope you have understand that type 6, and these are the problems which we are going to do in type 6, and hope you have understand type 6 properly. And in this next session we are going to begin with the type 7, and after that it will be more like finding other methods of doing type 6 and type 5, okay, that thing. But for now we are going to end up this session, and in the next session we are going to begin with the type 7. Till then, practice all the types, and see you in the next session. Bye.